Welcome to Blender for Beginners. Today, we will learn how to turn around, spin, or rotate objects. To rotate objects, we simply select the object by left-clicking, and then here on the left we have some icons. As you can see, we have here the rotate button. So if we want to rotate in the left to right direction, we grab this green a circle and we click and drag. And as you can see, we rotate like this. If we do it the red, we do it from front to back. Okay, and if we do the blue, we make our object say like no. Okay, if we grab here anywhere inside the white circle but not in the color circles, we can rotate freely. Okay, besides using this gizmo, we can not use the gizmo and then press our R key and rotate. Okay, so the trick with rotating is that you will rotate depending on the view. So if you are not using the gizmo and if you want the object to say like yes, you press number 3 on the numpad to see the side view and then press R, and then you will move it like this. Okay, if you wanted the object to say no, you press 7 to see the top view, then press R, and as you can see, you will move the object like this. Okay, and if you press 1 to see the front view and press R, you will move it like this. Okay, you can also press R twice to do the free rotate, and then you can move freely your object independently of the view you are seeing your object. You can also press R and then press an axis, the Z, the X, or the Y. For example, the Z that is up and down, you can press it and you can rotate your object in the Z axis. If I press Y, I move it in the Y axis, and if I press X, I move it on the X axis. Okay, that's how you rotate objects. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more content like this. See you around!